In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a watch list on TradingView. So the first step is to open your chart, and then in order to open the watch list, click on this button. Now we have this one, this template. Now we just have to click on this, and then after that, what we're gonna have to do is simply click on create new list. Now here we can name the list, so I'm going to name it tutorial and then click on create. Now, as you can see here, now our watch list is empty. So if we want to add stocks, we just have to click on this plus button and then simply choose the stocks that we want to add and click on the plus button like this. Now, you'll have a limit of how many stocks you can add if you have the free plan, but if you want to buy the premium plan, you can use my link and you'll get $15 off your paid plan. So basically, that's all we have to do from here. If you want, you can search by markets. So let's say you want to add to your watch list Canadian stocks. You can simply choose Canada, and here you can see all the stocks that are available to add to your watch list. So you should have all of them. And if you have the premium plan, this will help you a lot because you can add unlimited amounts of stocks, and you can also create multiple watch lists because you won't be able to create the unlimited watch list by using the free plan. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.